I don't have access to the third floor, by the way. I heard the music get more intense. Be careful. I don't know what's going on over there. What's the access code? Wait, do we have an access code? I think you need to find me the access code to help you on the third floor. Be careful.
Wow, they got a stocked kitchen. They have all these drinks.
Okay, good to know. But anyways, how about that access code, though? You know?
Maybe I'll take a banana.
Give me the access code. Who cares about the banana? We can get we can buy fresh bananas, as you know they're cheap. Huh?
There's like a headset. It looks like a gamer headset.
Oh my God. Spit on your toes.
Okay.
Where's it? Where's the code?
What else are you gonna do for the access code?
What? Just give me the Uki. As your partner in crime right now, I'm respectfully asking for the third floor access code. Okay.
Can you give me a kiss first?
You're really gatekeeping the code just for. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Fine. Mwah. My God. My God.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you good?
Yeah,
Was that
I'm good.
tough
I'm
for
good,
you?
babe. No, that wasn't tough for me. I think it was my dinner earlier. Just coming back up. Don't worry about it. I love you. I'm just kidding. Uki, you there? Hey. You know. I'm just kidding, right? I'll.
Yeah.
Come on, just give me the code. You're making it so hard. Just give me the code. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Oh, what the?
I like that.
Give me the. You don't know if I like what? Just give me the code. It's so easy. It's 4 letters. It's 4 digits or more. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Only you know what it is. How about you give me the code? I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to be supportive. Let me give you emotional support. Let me in.
I'll let you in. It's 748.
748. Uh-huh.
Man, what's the last number?
Only the last number. You don't. There's no way you forgot. What's?
It's 7.
Oh my God! If I had my heart rate monitor on right now, I think my blood pressure spiked. We don't want it to make contact with the block. I think. Hold on. Can you drag that one back?
Wait.
Okay.
Was that a real sneeze?
Don't look at me.
Oh my God.
Don't look at me. I'll kill you. Oh my God! Please don't. No, guys. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Uki. We're not gonna talk about that, okay? We're not gonna talk about that. Please stop. Please stop. Oh my God, guys. Stop. What
I can't even recreate.
What? Shut up. You're making fun of me.
I loved that. Okay.
No. Oh my God, you're dumb. Okay. Go. Uki. Aw, I miss Uki. I love Uki so much. He'll be back soon, next week. Okay.